Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the latest trends in pet on demand (POD) pet accessories for the year 2024. As a beginner, you may be wondering how to keep up with the ever-evolving world of pet products. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step approach to understanding and incorporating the most popular pessary trends of 2024 into your pet care routine. To stay ahead in the pet accessory industry, it's crucial to keep up with the latest trends. Start by researching online platforms, pet expos, and industry reports to gather information on what's popular among pet owners and their pets. Some of the top trends to look out for in 2024 include eco-friendly products, smart pet gadgets, and personalized accessories. Before diving into the latest trends, it's essential to understand your pet's specific needs. Every pet is unique, and their requirements may vary depending on their breed, age, and overall health. Familiarize yourself with your pet's preferences and any potential issues they may have, such as allergies or mobility issues. In 2024, environmentally conscious choices will be at the forefront of many pet owners' minds. Opt for accessories made from sustainable materials, such as bamboo, recycled plastic, or organic cotton. Not only will you be contributing to a greener future, but your pet will also benefit from using hypoallergenic and eco-friendly products. Technology continues to play a significant role in the pet accessory industry. In 2024, smart pet gadgets will be a must-have for many pet owners. These innovative devices can help monitor your pet's health, provide entertainment, and even assist with training. Some popular options include smart feeders, activity trackers, and interactive toys. Pet owners love to show off their furry friends' unique personalities, and customized accessories are an excellent way to do so. In 2024, personalization will be a significant trend in pet accessories. Consider adding your pet's name or a favorite design to collars, leashes, and beds. This not only makes your pet's accessories stand out, but also creates a sense of attachment and pride for pet owners. When it comes to pet accessories, quality is key. Cheap, low-quality products can lead to discomfort for your pet and may even pose health risks. Invest in durable, well-made accessories that will last for years and provide both you and your pet with peace of mind. Look for reputable brands with positive customer reviews and consider consulting with a veterinarian or pet behaviorist for recommendations on specific products. The pet accessory industry is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed about emerging trends and innovations. Follow pet-related blogs, social media accounts, and industry news outlets to keep up with the latest developments. Attending pet expos and networking with other pet owners and professionals can also help you stay ahead in the game. While it's essential to keep up with the latest trends, it's equally important not to overlook your pet's individual preferences. Some pets may not take well to new gadgets or accessories, so always observe your pet's reactions and adjust accordingly. If your pet shows discomfort or disinterest in a particular trendy accessory, it's best to reconsider and opt for something more suitable for their needs and preferences. As you incorporate new trends into your pet's life, ensure that you're well-versed in pet safety. Some accessories may pose risks if not used correctly, such as choking hazards from chew toys or potential injuries from certain types of collars. Research and understand the proper usage of each accessory to guarantee your pet's well-being. Finally, share your newfound knowledge and experiences with other pet owners. By helping others navigate the ever-changing landscape of pet accessories, you contribute to a stronger and more informed pet community. This can also lead to valuable connections, support, and potential collaborations with fellow pet enthusiasts. Embracing the latest pet accessory trends in 2024 can enhance your pet's life and strengthen the bond between you and your furry companion. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be well-equipped to make informed decisions about the best eco-friendly, smart, and personalized accessories for your pet. Remember to prioritize your pet's needs and preferences while staying updated on trends and safety guidelines. Happy pet accessorizing!